This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Harriet Doub. Classic brick ranch on spacious lot. Quiet streets, popular schools, and close proximity to beach. Open one-level floor plan offering 4 bedrooms and 3 baths. Spacious living room, wood fireplace, flows to dining room. Family room adjacent to kitchen. Spacious master bedroom attached to oversized master bath. Clothes washer and dryer conveniently attached there. Floored attic. Single car garage, door opener. Long driveway for extra cars. Private fenced backyard offers large deck for outdoor entertaining. See and enjoy. For more information, review the details below or contact Harriet Doub at 757-422-2200.